Welcome to Math and Me. By this video we are finding k equals to what, where we are seeing a all are inside root equals to a to the power k. We are trying to find out the result of k. So first what we will do, we can write like this. First root a, and this root we can omit and we can write a to the power 1 divided 2, and here is root and here is root equals to a to the power k. So we can write root a into root this one 1 plus 1 by 2, okay, and here is whole root equals to a to the power k. Again this one we just write into this one means root a, if we LCM, so 2 plus 1 divided 2 equals to a to the power k, okay. Then a into a to the power 3 by 2, and this is root and here is also whole root equals to a to the power k. Again if we omit this root, so we can write like this, a into, we omit this one, so we can write a into 3 divided 2 into 1 by 2 equals to a to the power k, okay. So what will be the answer like this, a into a 3 divided 4, this is root equals to a to the power k. Again we omit this root, so we can write what, look, first we will do like this, a 1 plus 3 divided 4, this is root a to the power k. So here is a 4 plus 3 divided 2, and this is root equals to a to the power k. And this if we square, so this root will be omit, so we can write a 7 divided 2 equals to a to the power k square, okay. We can write this. So look, here is a and a base equal, so we can write 7 divided 2 equals to k square, okay. So if we square root this one, so we will get root 7 divided 2 equals to k, or we can write like this, 7 equals to 7 divided 2 to the power 1 by 2, okay. This is a answer. Or here we can also doing some work like this, if we omit this one from here, so we can write a to the power 7 divided 2 into 1 by 2 equals to a to the power k, or we can write like this, 2 to 4 a to the power 7 divided 4 equals to a to the power k, or we can write a to the power what, we can write 7 divided 4 equals to k. This one and this one same, because this one also we can write 7 divided 4. So this is our answer. Thank you so much for being with me.